Dumpster rental service in Clearwater, Florida. For a reliable and affordable dumpster rental service in Clearwater, Florida, choose Big Blue Dumpsters for all your waste management needs. We offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to accommodate residential and commercial projects, making waste disposal easy and hassle-free. Whether tackling a home renovation, cleaning out your space, or managing debris from a construction site, we have the perfect solution to meet your needs. Our commitment to prompt and professional service ensures that your dumpster will be delivered on time and picked up at your convenience. At Big Blue Dumpsters, we understand the importance of staying on schedule, so we are dedicated to making your waste removal process as smooth and efficient as possible. With flexible rental periods and competitive pricing, we offer an affordable solution without compromising quality. Our experienced team is always ready to assist, ensuring a seamless rental experience from start to finish. We handle all the logistics so you can focus on completing your project efficiently and stress-free. Big Blue Dumpsters provides reliable and timely service if you require a minor cleanup, renovation, or large-scale construction project. For dependable and cost-effective dumpster rental in Clearwater, Florida, contact Big Blue Dumpsters at 727-584-8058. Let us take care of your waste disposal needs, ensuring your project stays on track without the added stress of handling debris.